Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation, the Glow Hydrating Concealer and the Loose Powder. So let's go. So this is the foundation, this is the packaging. I love that this is like a glass bottle and it is not plasticky. Now you have the expiry date and the pricing and everything written over here. Please excuse my nails because I literally just got removed them yesterday. So yeah, and then you get a pump which is very hygienic. I love the packaging. It is something different than usual foundations like the tubes or anything like that. So I am in the shade 05 Beige Glow. They do have a decent range, I would say, of colors available, so I would give it to that. I wanted to read the claims from the box. So it says that it is 2x glow, lasts for 12 hours. Okay, let's try that out. Provides perfect coverage suitable for all Indian skin tones, dermatologically tested. For buildable coverage, please repeat the above steps, which is basically adding in more and more to get the full coverage. I'm just gonna take a pump and we'll see how much this pump lasts on my face. So as you can see, I am blending it in. Now if you see, it's not really that of a full coverage. It gives you like the sheer coverage, so you do not really need like full coverage if you are like a college student or like an office student. So yeah, and that's how one pump literally got finished. It lasted on half of my face, and as you can see from the difference here as well, that it is not full coverage, it is medium coverage. I would give it to that. Perfect for everyday use. Now in camera it does look a bit brighter than my skin tone, but in real life it is literally spot on. So I mean, I was really happy with this. Now I do have a acne pigmentation mark over here, so I'm just gonna cover it up and we'll see how much product does it require to cover like pigmentation or like acne marks. So as you can see, it's not covering it up completely, but it is covering it up slightly. So if you're a person who prefers sheer coverage foundations or like very like minimal coverage, this will be perfect for you. Like 1 or 2 pumps and you will be done and you won't feel like applying too much of product. But I am a kind of like a semi full coverage person. I don't like full coverage, but I also need a little bit of coverage more than this. So I feel like for me 3 to 4 pumps of this foundation would work on my face. Okay, so I have 2 of the concealers. I have the shade 03 and 02. Now honestly, looking at it, this feels a little bit yellowish and this feels like neutral. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 02 first on my under eyes. This is the packaging of the product. I do really like the packaging. It's kind of cute, you know, looks really great. Nothing really fancy to say about it. And as you can see, it's like liquid in texture, like literally so liquidy. It has this fragrance which is kind of annoying. Like it has this, what can we say, alcoholic, not like very like strong, you know, acetone ka jo smell aata hai, literally that is the fragrance which I'm getting in my head. I'm also going to take the 03 shade and I'm gonna apply it just with this. As you can see, there's not much of a color difference between the 02 and 03 shade, and the consistency is very liquidy. I will give it to that, like extremely liquidy. Now this concealer claims that it stays for 12 hours, it gives 12 hours hydration, spot coverage, all of that. So we'll see how it goes. So the blending process, as you can see, is very easy. It literally blended in a few seconds. I don't think blending is an issue. So again, as I would say, for the foundation, it gave you like a sheer coverage. The concealer is also kind of the same. So I wouldn't say it's like giving you full coverage, but it gives you like a decent coverage. If you are looking for a concealer which has medium to sheer coverage, like not really much coverage, you will like this one. I do like this one. You know what I would do preferably is that I like to use a different concealers on my face. So I would first go in with a full coverage concealer, then I'll use this one to add the hydration. As you can see, it did hydrate my under eyes. Like it's not like it did not. It has given me this hydration from within kind of a look, which is what I like, but not the coverage of this one. Next up, I have the Mamaearth Glow Mattifying Loose Powder. This is how it looks. Now I have the translucent shade, the white one. So I'm just gonna remove it, and again I will apply it. There is a lot of product, literally too much of product over here. I'm gonna take another powder puff and then transfer the powder. You get a lot of product on it, which is a good thing, and I'm just gonna apply it like this. As you can see, the powder is finely milled, which I am happy about, and it blended in really well. I do like translucent powders in this. So as you can see, it has blended in well, it looks good as well. So wow, I hope you can see the difference immediately. Like, mattified my under eyes so freaking amazingly. So yeah, I would give this a thumbs up. Let me check the price of this. So this is for $5.99 as well. I would say pretty similar into the comparison of the other powders which are available in the market. I would definitely use the foundation again. It's perfect for every single day use. On the days when you don't feel like wearing makeup, or you just simply feel like wearing no makeup, very little makeup, this foundation is going to be there. For the concealer, I don't think I'll be using it as a standalone concealer, because honestly I need more coverage. Like, come on, like, I need more coverage in this. So I might use it as a on top of my another full coverage concealers. But again, it's not bad. For the powder, I would definitely use it, especially when I need like a full coverage makeup. I love translucent powders, so this has worked really well. It gave my face a mattifying finish as well. No complaints about the powder and the foundation. So that was my video for the Mamaearth foundation, concealer and loose powder. Let me know which other Mamaearth products should I try in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, subscribe and bye.